Hello friends. There is one travel agency called Vikas Travel Agency which specializes in flights between Delhi to Bangalore. It books passengers on Dolphin Airlines at 9,000 rupees per round trip. Dolphin Airlines pay 10% commission on ticket price to Vikas Travel Agency. Dolphin Airlines give a new plan in which it will pay 10% commission to travel agents per ticket but up to maximum of rupees 500. Which means that any ticket costing more than rupees 5,000 generates only 500 rupees commission regardless of ticket price. Fixed cost and variable cost are given. Fixed cost is rupees 1,40,000 and variable cost is rupees 200. We know that contribution per unit is equal to sales price per unit minus variable cost per unit. Here sale price is nothing but commission. Commission is rupees 900 minus variable cost is rupees 200. So contribution is 700 rupees. First question is to find out break-even in old 10% commission structure. Break-even sale of ticket is equal to fixed cost upon contribution per unit. Fixed cost is 1,40,000 divided by contribution 700. So we get 200 tickets. Second question is how many tickets are required to earn operating income of rupees 70,000. Here the formula is quantity of tickets required to be sold is equal to fixed cost plus desired income or operating income upon contribution per unit. So fixed cost is 1,40,000, operating income is 70,000 divided by contribution per unit which is 700. So we get 300 tickets. Next is how does revised payment schedule affect answers of question 1 and 2? Here commission is maximum rupees 500 but ticket price is constant which is rupees 9,000. So commission becomes rupees 500. Here contribution is rupees 500. So 300 rupees is new contribution. In first question, break-even sale of tickets is equal to fixed cost upon contribution per unit. So fixed cost is 1,40,000 and contribution is rupees 300. So you will get 467 approx tickets. In the second question, number of tickets required to be sold to achieve operating income of rupees 70,000 is equal to fixed cost plus operating income upon contribution per unit, which is 1,40,000 plus 70,000 divided by 300. So you will get 700 tickets. In the revised schedule, number of tickets required to be sold are more than double. So travel agents will react very negatively to the Dolphin Airlines decision.